Now, we've done same day crabbing before here in Alaska, except not in January. Got chains on that truck right now. This whole ramp right here is covered in ice. Don't fall in that harbor, you guys. You got those sitting in there if you do, if the ice doesn't get you. Some of these boats aren't doing so hot. If you had your boat down here in a slip like that, you're probably not going fishing today. How was that harrowing experience working your way out of the ice there, Captain?
Definitely harrowing.
Harrowing. Right there, a little bit of luck, huh? Now we just gotta go find some crab and salmon. Well, in the last video, we had Dale's boys out here. Matthew and Joey are gonna be missed. But guess who made it back in today, you guys? Look at that legend. What up, Vinny?
Hey, we're back at it. I feel so at home. Guys.
Yeah, baby. Almost to the spot to drop that crab pot. And there's some ice up in here. Nice sheet of ice right over the top of this spot. But we're almost right to where we want to drop our pot.
Should do it.
Right over there. Should do it. 1, 2, 3. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! There she goes.
Make sure you don't flip over.
See that ice right there. Whew. Wintertime, baby. Okay. Woo! We're in it now, boys. Now, the last time we were out here, we soaked it for 3 hours. And there was 50 crab in it when we came back. Even if we only catch half of that amount, we're gonna be pretty happy with that. But you gotta think, if only 3 hours go by and you pick up 50, they gotta be swarming that thing like right away, right? So what do we do to kill some time? Captain says we're going after some king salmon today. So we're gonna head right back out here into Catchmack Bay, get out of this little bay here, and drop down some spoons and some lures and try and troll in that big king. Let's go do it. About 20 minutes into king fishing here, let's just thinking, how many crab do you think are in that pot already? I don't know. I'm excited to pull it though. It's not quite time yet. We're gonna give this trolling a little bit longer. But what a gorgeous morning, huh? I got the hook set that time.
There's a 40-foot rock right there.
Yeah, there is. Oh, I just popped off of it. Yeah. Well, we're 2 hours into this trolling thing. Captain Dale hasn't put us on the fish yet. That's trolling for kings out here in Alaska. You just never know. Keep going. Got a little more time while that pot fills up with crab. Hours. What time did we drop the pot? 10:20? Drop the pot at 10:20. It's 4:10 now. Hours of trolling for king salmon. Not even a bite today. That's fishing. That's what my wife would tell me. Thanks, Melissa. We went fishing today, not catching. We're gonna go for some crab now, though. Let's go pull that pot. First time Captain Dale's been skunked.
First time.
First time.
First time for everything, I guess.
Have you ever been skunked fishing, especially trolling for salmon? Seriously. Like,
how does that happen?
Every time, or some of the time, or most of the time? For real. This guy's spoiled though. He comes up here, does Alaska fishing, thinks he catch fish every time.
That's how it's supposed to be, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's how I heard Alaska was.
Yeah. Yep. Don't always get them. It's nice up in here. You could hear it. Just hear that ice crashing against the side of the boat. Oh yeah. Almost there. Oof. Got to be getting close now, huh?
It's getting there.
Yeah? Oh yeah, bucket's filling up. See anything down there yet, Vinny?
Nothing there.
Nothing yet. Keep going, Captain, or your arms getting tired?
No, not quite yet. Got the power assist going.
Yep, you're doing good. You're doing good. Everybody's patiently waiting in anticipation for chins dripping with butter later.
Should be getting close now.
Yeah, I see the pot. It's looking orange, boys. It's looking orange. There's crab. There's crab in there, guys. Woo! Yeah. Right on. There's one on the outside. Grab him. Yeah. You got him. Not quite as full as last time's jackpot, but that is a nice catch, guys.
Definitely, there's some good ones.
Yeah, there's a lot of big males in there. Yeah, that thing's a beast. That almost looks like a little female. Yeah, oh it is. Yeah, toss that guy. Look at that! That's a toad. Ouch! I knew they could do that. I've never had it happen. He got me though. He's ornery. You're going in the pot, buddy.
Tape measure for any questions.
You got me good.
You alright?
Oh yeah, unbelievable. He latched on. Yeah, that's too small. They're definitely more lethargic and kind of just chilling, you know? The last time we were out here, they scattered a lot more. I noticed. Yeah. Like that little girl. That's a little girl, you could tell. Look at the back. Yeah, the female, so you gotta throw those back. Yeah, that's fat compared to that one. See that one next to it? That's the male. That's the female. Right there. This one's got some fat claws. Okay, take that one, I'd say. Let's see.
1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's missing 2 legs.
Oh yeah, he's definitely out of it running. I'm kind of gun shy picking these up now. Got a crab for RJ, got a crab for Cameron, and got one for Melissa. Nice, a full limited crab, huh? That's pretty cool. Right there, 3 apiece out here catching these Tanner crab in Catchmack Bay in this area. We're gonna clean these up and jam back to the harbor and get these guys in a hot pot. Yeah. Oh man, look what I got. Ooh. Yeah.
Why do we have crab and why do we have that?
Captain Dale gave it to us. And then he also took Dad out crabbing and helped me catch him. What do you say to him?
That's cool.
That's cool. What about thank you, Dale?
I say that too, and thank you, Dale.
Yeah. Do you want a piece? Okay, I'll get you a piece ready. Is that good or what? Oh, you bet.